Welcome to our channel. If you want to build savings automatically, follow these step-by-step instructions to set up rules and transfers that grow your account effortlessly. Step 1. Log into your online banking or mobile app. Navigate to the Transfers or Automatic Payments section where you can set up recurring transactions between accounts. Step 2. Set up automatic transfers from checking to savings on payday. Schedule transfers for 1 or 2 days after your paycheck deposits to ensure funds are available. Step 3. Start with a realistic amount you won't miss. Even transferring just $25 or $50 per paycheck adds up significantly over time and helps build a consistent savings habit. Step 4. Use your bank's Roundup feature if available. This tool automatically rounds purchases to the nearest dollar and transfers the difference to savings with each transaction. Step 5. Create a rule to save tax refunds automatically. Set up direct deposit of your tax return to go directly into savings rather than checking to avoid the temptation to spend. Step 6. Automate savings for specific goals by opening multiple savings accounts. Label accounts for emergency fund, vacation, home down payment, or other objectives to stay motivated. Step 7. Set up automatic transfers on bill payment dates. After paying bills, immediately transfer a set amount to savings while you still have money in your checking account. Step 8. Review and adjust your automatic savings plan quarterly. As your income increases or expenses change, update transfer amounts to maximize savings without causing overdrafts. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.